Hi everyone, today we're sewing this reversible tote bag. I called it the Lois bag, like Lois and Clark, for no reason. It's a very easy bag to make. You'll find the pattern on my Etsy. The fabrics have been gifted to me by Snapply, which is an online fabric store and haberdashery. So because I made the bag off camera at first, in this tutorial I'm gonna sew a miniature version of the bag to avoid wasting fabric, and also it's easier to film something small because it fits better in the frame of the camera. But just to make sure, I don't sell the miniature size, okay, it's just the big one. Now if you want to make it smaller, you can of course change the scale of the pattern when printing. The seam allowance are included in the pattern, and in this tutorial I'll observe 1 centimeter of seam allowance everywhere unless I say otherwise. I'm starting this tutorial with pictures, but fear not, we're moving to videos in a minute. So let me show you the pattern pieces. We have the 2 faces of the bag plus 2 pockets in this green striped fabric, the faces of the bag in the orange fabric. I could have made pocket in the orange fabric too had I wanted. You can do that if you want. And we need bias, and that's it. Okay, starting with the pockets. I make the hem. So I like tracing lines with my erasable pen. One line 2 centimeters from the edge, another line 3 centimeters, and then I fold once against the 2 centimeter line and a second time against the 3 centimeter one, and I sew. Adding my bias, you want to leave like 2 centimeters of extra tape at the extremities. You sew, you fold back, and before you sew, here's how I manage the corners. I sew, and I sewed by hem. This is why we can't see the seam, and I did that because I think it's much cleaner. Then I place the pockets on the faces of the bag and I sew them with the machine this time. Before, after. All right, we're sewing the 2 faces of the striped fabric together. Same thing in the orange fabric. And I press the seam allowance open. I sew the corners of the bag for both the stripes and the orange fabric. I open the seam allowance and I press down again. Here's what I have. Both fabrics are wrong sides visible. I'll turn the green inside out. And I insert the orange in the green, so the 2 layers are wrong sides touching. I'm going to baste the 2 layers together, and you want to sew in the seam allowance. Once it's done, this is what I get. The last step is sewing the bias. So I'm going to pin without having cut off my tape in the first place. I pin. I just want to show you how I close the bias. So when you start your seam, you're going to leave a bit of tape unsewed, like 2 centimeters at the beginning. We're going to fold the first end of the bias with the 2 centimeters extra we left. We fold it, and then the other end of the tape comes on top. Cut the tape. I did this away from the machine, but you can stay under your machine, of course. And you sew on top. Then you fold back the tape. And you cover all the raw edges with bias tape this way, and that's it. The bag is done. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write them in the comment section, and I hope you liked it. See you. Bye. Kiss.